Oh! Whoa! Hold on, guys. Hold on. This recipe video is not going to be like your ordinary video. How come, Rajan? What makes this one so different? Let me tell you what makes it so different. We're making brownies with this. But before I do that, full credit goes to this person because she's the one who founded this recipe. And I gotta say, it's genius. It's absolutely genius. Make sure you guys have a scale for this recipe. For any recipe, really, a scale is essential. Essential. Ingredients for this recipe are 12 grams of protein powder. Now, I know these are brownies and I have a snickerdoodle flavored powder, but it's okay because this powder is amazing. You can make anything out of it and it'll be good. Literally just have a good powder and it'll be fine. You will enjoy the recipe. 15 to 20 grams of flour. I think the more flour you have, like the cakier it gets or something, so you guys can tweak the flour amount to your needs. 1/6 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 45 grams of Lakanto erythritol 0-calorie sweetener. However, any 0-calorie sweetener will do as long as you see 0 right here on the label. Folks, you are in a good situation. 21 grams of baking cocoa. Any sort of cocoa works. I go organic because I'm extra cool, extra healthy. 120 grams of God's water, aka Diet Pop. Any kind of Diet Pop will do. However, my favorite are Pepsi Max and Coke Zero. Boom, cocoa. Pow, protein powder for the gains. Flour power, yo. What exactly is a pinch? We don't exactly know, but you know what? I think that'll do. 1/6 teaspoon baking powder. Need that guy. Erythritol is in. And now we are to mix the dry ingredients. Good enough. Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. I know how to bake. Oh my god, the oven's on fire. Psych. Alright, so it should look like this once you're done mixing it. Just like dirt. But I bet it'll taste a lot better than dirt. Oh my god. You know how carbonated pop expands in your mouth? I almost just blew up there. Dude, look at that. That's supposed to be a brownie. What? Okay, this actually smells really good now. Alright guys, it's time for the lick test. You gotta lick the batter to see how it tastes. Ho! Not bad at all. Okay, I think this tray is a bit too big for the batter, so I'm just gonna double this recipe real quick. You know, I'm just realizing that 45 grams of erythritol is actually a lot. Erythritol. That's a lot though. All right, that looks better. Now it's time to put this sucker in the oven. This thing has been preheating for like an hour now. This took way longer than I thought. Guys, make sure it's at 355 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 180 Celsius. Okay, no oven mitts required. Do not try this at home. No oven mitts. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo. Okay, and then you put that guy in there for about 30 minutes, but check it after 20 minutes because everyone's oven's different. Some ovens, they will burn that sucker in 20 minutes, boy. But mine, he's a good boy. He behaves. Okay, it looks like the brownie is ready and now it is time to try it. Just look at this guy. Okay, now it is time for the taste test. Just look at this. Ooh, it looks really brownie-like, even though it's made out of Diet Coke. Bon appetit. It's pretty good. That tastes really good. Wow. I'm recording, Don. Okay, I've eaten the brownie. I've ingested it. Now it is time for the review. The taste, I will give that an 8 out of 10. Good taste. The health content, macronutrients, all of that jazz, that is getting a 9.5 just because it's so good. That one piece that I ate, it was, okay, I just did the math. That one piece I ate was only 19 calories. 19 for one piece of brownie. Normal brownies would be like 100. That's crazy. This entire recipe, and this is doubled. So everything you see here, pretend this square is filled in. If that were filled in, that would be 300 calories, all of that. That's crazy. It's pretty good, right guys?
Amazing.
I'll save some for you guys.
Wow.
As you guys can see, my family's already devouring the entire brownie. Smashing success.